My name is Aaron Looning and I am Team VP Guilds, and this is my HackFS 2020 submission. VP Guilds is a decentralized social media community platform currently hosted on Fleek, built with Near Protocol and Textile Hub ThreadsDB. How it works. It uses Near accounts as textile identities for Textile. It gets associated with a libp2p identity that is used to receive a Textile token to create user and app level threads using Textile ThreadsDB. In order to ensure ongoing access to user and app data in the event that browser local storage is cleared, the Near account, libp2p identity, and Textile thread IDs are encrypted and stored in the Near chain. Inside the dApp, the Near contracts link and store unique ideas on-chain to content, comments, profiles, and so on in Textile Hub collections and records set up to store the actual data on IPFS. And finally, it's all been deployed to Fleek, which I have to say was an absolute uncomplicated pleasure to do. Welcome to the community platform for VitalPoint Guild. We're going to log in using our Near account authorizing VitalPoint Guild. Once logged in, we'll head over to our profile page and set some basic profile information. The profiles will be extended in future. And of course, we have the ability to delete, edit as necessary, which updates the records being stored in IPFS through Textile. Heading back over to the home page, I want to post my monthly guild contribution report. Standard form, publishing toggle, date selection, full editor with support for image and video. Once submitted, the unique post ID is stored on-chain, pointing to the Textile record holding all the data which has been sent off to IPFS. Of course, need the ability to manage both published content and draft content. This is handled with user and app level threads. When user publishes, record is mirrored in the app thread. If not published, it resides only in the user thread. Adding a draft piece of content is done the same way as published content, just don't flip the switch. Now notice there are no passwords or signing interruptions in all this. The keys and identities are managed by the wallet, browser local storage, and encrypted on-chain, making the user experience, well, fast and recognizable, and the app never has access to any data the user doesn't want to share. Further, if they did share and change their mind down the road, they can delete it and it's gone. Now, communities are no good if it's just you talking to yourself, so let's log out and log in as another user. Again, we'll set up some profile information. Like 3box does for Ethereum, we'll probably evolve to see that profiles become a composable component, essentially making them available to any dApp on Near that wants to use them like a plugin module, of course with data stored on IPFS or Filecoin. Because we're building on a blockchain, tokens are built in. Notice the user's account balance. In a minute we'll come back to that, but first let's go leave a comment on our other user's post. Basic functionality one would expect on a community platform. Again, the content is linked by ID to its parent and the data record stored in a Textile collection. Cool, now there's a conversation happening. Let's get back to the money. So far this demonstrates basic functionality whereby one user may want to reward another user. I also envision attaching value to likes and other gamification mechanisms. Clicking the button transfers one Near and we can verify it in the user's wallet. Notice that all of these actions are using such minuscule gas amounts that they aren't affecting the overall account balance. As a full-featured community platform, it's obviously not production ready yet. I consider this more of an MVP, proving that this decentralized community platform is possible and potentially inevitable. It will eventually evolve into a fully decentralized, white label social media community platform that people can use to grow and engage their communities. I invite you to try it out, get in touch with me, or check out the code on GitHub. I want to thank you for your time and another great EthGlobal event with HackFS.